Where am I? I thought I was at the club. Hello? Hello?
Hello, Daniel. You don't know me, but I know you. Every day, you wake up. You spend your days stealing Kit Kat Chunkies from the local Tesco Express. You sell them on for triple the price, ripping innocent, hungry people off. Now, it's time for you to put a price on your life. Are you a £3.90 meal deal, or are you a crusty, out-of-date cheese sandwich? I want to play a game. The device strapped to your hand is a PlayStation 5 controller. You must beat me at a game of FIFA. Otherwise, the device will seal to your hand forever. Look around. Know that I'm not lying. Make your choice of team.
Not as bad as I thought it was gonna be.
What?
I'll be Barca.
Okay, I'll be Arsenal.
Did you want a Kit Kat Chunky? Wait, is this FIFA 21?
You trying to start a fight with me?
Wait, what? No, why are we playing FIFA 21? It's 2023.
Look, I've had back and forth discussions with the finance team. We've been saving all our money for Hogwarts Legacy, and there's simply nothing left in the budget for FIFA.
Oh, sorry about that. That must be really hard for you.
Yeah, it's a bit of a sore spot.
Have you actually played this game before, or is this your first time? It's just, we're 6 minutes in and the game's already done?
Yeah, skip the animation. How has he missed that then? How has he missed that then?
Because you're bad?
Over and over. He does not perform to my level. He's getting subbed off.
So, how did the first half go for you then?
Yeah, not happy with my performance at all. I've got to get my head in the game if I want to win this.
Interesting. And how about you? How did you find the first half? Hello? Oh, sorry, I was just having a break. I was just having a Kit Kat. Oh no, don't worry. You don't need to cry. You'll get better one day.
Breathe. Remember the breathing exercises your therapist gave you. Yeah, come on, boys. Yeah, sit down. Yeah, you, sit down.
I'm sad. Well, thanks for removing the controller from my hand and giving me a drink. Really hospitable. I've really enjoyed being kidnapped today.
Yeah, no problem. Bit down that I lost and didn't sell you to a life of inconvenience.
Don't worry, you'll bounce back.
I know. It's just a setback. Anyway, I'll see you out.
Well, thanks again. I had a really good time.
Wait, before you leave, I just want to say, you've been the best damn captain I've ever had. And now, I would love nothing more than to buy a Kit Kat Chunky off you.